Maintaining your car's appearance is essential, and dealing with unsightly dents doesn't always require a trip to the body shop. With the rise of DIY automotive care, dent repair kits have become increasingly popular among car owners. These kits offer an affordable and convenient solution for fixing minor dents and dings at home. In this guide, we evaluate top dent repair kits based on tool variety. List number 1. Best Glow All 135-piece Dent Puller Kit. The Best Glow All 135-piece Dent Puller Kit is a comprehensive solution for various dent sizes and types. It includes a T-bar puller for large dents, a bridge puller for medium dents, and a gold dent lifter for small dings. The kit also features tap-down tools for minor imperfections and an auto trim removal tool for interior repairs. Constructed from durable materials, this kit ensures long-lasting performance and superior repair results compared to other dent repair kits on the market. You buy Martinique. With our car dent puller tool, you can say goodbye to dents in just 30 minutes. Versatile Dent Repair Solution. It is a professional dent remover tool for car. The Gold Lifter is suitable for small dents. The Bridge Puller is fit for medium dents. The T-bar puller is used to repair large dents. The tap-down tools are perfect for fixing small and irregular dents. Auto Trim Removal Toolkit is fit for car audio or radio system installation or removal, door panels, or automotive interior repair. The Body Repair Dent Removal Tools contain all the tools needed for dent repair. List number 2. Glisten Auto Dent Puller Kit. Adjustable Golden Dent Remover Tools Paintless Dent Repair Kit. Dent Lifter Puller for car large. Experience Glisten Auto Dent Puller Kit, Adjustable Golden Dent Remover Tools, Paintless Dent Repair Kit, Dent Lifter Puller for car large. Special Design. This new design dent puller kit, special in adjustable the width and height with the Golden Dent Lifter, and it is not only for small pits, but also for repairing large dent. And use of high-quality metal materials and use the softness rubber of the bottom, so that it will not damage the original paint of the car during use. Strengthened tabs. Our Glisten Dent Remover Tools recently designed 21-size dent remover tabs can be adjusted for a variety of ding sizes, each of them made of a special hardened material designed with a new texture to make it. It will not easy to get rid of the glue. Also, thickened and enlarged material can be applied to the bigger size of the dent repair. List number 3. Dent Puller. Experience Dent Puller. Portable Car Dent Removal Kit. The Car Dent Removal Tool is an ideal multi-purpose tool. It comes with one large car dent puller, 4.5 inches, and two small car dent repairers, 2.2 inches. While compared to other car dent puller kits, we are equipped with nano cloth car scratch remover and buffing polishing pads you need when dealing with dents for your maximum convenience. High quality and powerful. The suction cup dent puller is made of high quality ABS material, durable natural rubber, and strong metal core. The handle will not break easily and is durable. The rubber at the bottom provides strong suction and is seamless, so it will not scratch the paint. The large size car dent repair's maximum horizontal suction is 110 pounds, and the maximum vertical suction is 77 pounds. Use the larger puller for more extensive damage and the smaller one for finer finishing touches. List number 4. 97 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Experience 97 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Professional Paintless Dent Repair Kit is the car dent repair kit is composed of a high-class alloy and plastic material. Each car dent suction puller is constructed of a unique hardened material that is robust. The bottom of the car dent remover is made of rubber and will not damage the original paint. The car's dent puller pulls dents through strong, sticky, hot melt glue, and hot melt glue is easy to remove without damaging the paint. Our car dent puller kit will be 100% protect the body paint. Easily repair various types of dents. This body repair dent removal tools can meet all kinds of dent needs. Gold Lifter is suitable for small dents. Bridge Puller fit for medium dents. T-bar puller is used to repair large dents. The tap-down tools are perfect for fixing small and irregular dent damage, especially for the high point. Contains enough accessories for both professionals and beginners to easily DIY dent repair kits at home. best dent puller paintless dent repair.
List number 5. 97 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Experience the 97 PCX Dent Puller Kit. Paintless Dent Repair Kit. Our car dent repair kit is a comprehensive kit. The bottom of the car dent suction puller is made of rubber and will not damage the original paint. The car's dent puller pulls dents through strong, sticky hot melt glue, and the hot melt can be wholly removed without damaging the paint. With our car dent remover, you can say goodbye to dents in just 30 minutes. This car dent puller kit makes it easy for anyone, even beginners, to fix them effortlessly. Repairs dents of all sizes. Our body repair dent removal tools are suitable for all different sizes of dents. Gold Lifter is suitable for small dents. The Bridge Puller is fit for medium dents. T-bar puller is used to repair large dents. Also, it can be disassembled into a short T-bar puller to use, which is very convenient and effective. The dent puller tool contains all the tools needed for car dent repair. Our car dent repair tools can remove 99% of your car's dents in 30 minutes.